guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you guys back to another DIY project. This time I'm going to show you how to make this really nice decorative piece that you can put in your living room, your bathroom, bedroom, and it's really easy and simple to make. You can see the first step is to get your bowl that I got from Home Bargains. And I've got a lot of adhesive gems that you can get loads at any craft shop. And what I've done is decorated the whole thing so that it can be like a massive glittery ball. So for this project in particular, I would recommend using some extra glue for this. I didn't use it for the whole video, but I would recommend using some all-purpose glue just so that the gems won't fall off. That's a pro tip for you guys. But yeah, once I've done the whole thing, you're going to see in a minute the progression, how it's going to be like. It's going to be a massive glittery ball basically. And this is really good for my living room because the theme is silver, so this would be a really good contrast because this one I picked the color gold. But yeah. So when you stuck all the little pieces of gems, it should look a little bit like this. I'm just sticking the last few gems at the top or at the bottom of the bowl, but it should look like this basically. Afterwards, I got my candle bearer additional piece. I got this from Home Bargains as well, and I'm putting gems on that as well so that it can match together. I'm not gonna put it all over it. I'm just gonna put it at the bottom, but for me to make sure it matches, I chose the same kind of colors and patterns as well. So I used this all-purpose glue and I stuck it at the bottom of the bowl so that when I stick it together, it will hold together strong. I've also added some hot glue gun just for reinforcement, guys. So here's the final reveal. This whole project costs less than £5, so anyone and everyone can do it. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share.
Partagez, bon panza panza.